Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing soft glam with a sort of rose gold twist and lots of bling, as you can see. If you want to see how I get this look, then please keep watching. Hey everybody, so I've already done my brows as usual. I use the same thing I always use, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and the Brow Wiz. I'm going to start with my foundation first. I know, crazy, but let's switch it up. So first I'm going to prep my skin using the MAC Fix Plus. Because today's look is focused a lot on my skin, I'm going to mix two primers. The Becca Backlighting Primer and my Marc Jacobs. I'm going to put on my Marc Jacobs first. And then my Becca. It smells so good. I love just putting on like a primer or moisturizer and just feel your skin just like drinking it up. It's so good. And just, my skin feels so smooth and so nice lately. And I honestly think it's because I've been like stepping up my skincare routine. I've been using like the same products. I used to just use like a scrub from here, cleanser from here, toner from here, moisturizer from here, night cream, blah 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 blah, whole thing. But I've really been trying to sort of like narrow it down to like a few different brands. And lately my skin's been looking quite nice. Like I don't really have any other, like I have like a few breakouts here, but other than that my skin's pretty good. So I do have a lot of texture and blackheads on my nose and my chin though, so hopefully I'll find something that gets rid of them. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Now that that's all soaked in, I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade Salzburg. Putting a few pumps on my little dish here. Taking my brush and just putting that all over my face. I really like this foundation. I've used it a few times now and I love the finish it gives to my skin. Like, I like to wear a lot of foundation. I'm a full coverage girl, but I don't want to feel like I have foundation on. I want my cake and I want to eat it too. So this foundation actually really works for me. I like the Sheer Glow as well from NARS, but this one I think has a little bit more coverage. Yeah. But I do still go for the Sheer Glow when I'm not in the mood for full coverage glam. Which is mainly if I just have to run to the shops or something. I'm just using a damp beauty sponge to blend that all in. For concealer, I'm taking my Born This Way by Too Faced. I'm almost out of it, so I'm looking for a new concealer. Everybody hit me up with your recommendations. I'm thinking the Urban Decay or perhaps NARS. And then just same old beauty sponge. Once that's all done, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder and my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to stamp that all over my face. Once that's done, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. I'm going to keep it quite soft, so I'm going into my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm taking these two colours and I'm mixing them together and I'm putting them in my crease. Using this shade right here, I'm going to put that on the outer third of my lid, blending it upwards towards the crease. Going in with this shade right here and putting that in the crease, the outer edges of the crease. Sort of just like getting your brush in there, like nestling it in. Taking that same shade and putting it on the lid, the outer third again. Just building up that colour slowly. Using a sharp shader brush, I'm going in with this shade right here, this one, and putting that all over my lid, blending that upwards towards the crease. Taking a mixture of these two shades right here, I'm just going to put that in the middle of the lid. Taking my fluffy brush again, going back into this shade and then this shade, mixing them together and just deepening up the crease and the outer third of my lid. Taking this little brush, I'm going to bring those colours down onto my lower lash line. Going back into that lighter shade that we used first, I'm just going to spray my brush with the Fix Plus and then dip into it. And really intensify that pinky pearly shade. Going back in with the colours that we used in the middle of the lid, just to add some more dimension. Taking this rose gold shade right here and just pushing that into the very outer third of the lid. Just like stamping it in there. Going in to the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, I'll be taking up the shade Dripping Diamonds. Very, very lightly, just touching it and putting it on the inner corner. Just lightly, just to bring out those pearl shades. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to use Rich Girl, which is this one up here. Inner corner. Taking my Kat Von D tattoo wing liner in Trooper, I'm just going to do a small wing. Once that's done, I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For contour, I'm using my Benefit Hoola Light. And my NARS Laguna bronzer with the Eater brush. Blush, I'm using MAC Peaches. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Becca Opal and my Zoeva Fan. Now that my lipstick's all done, I'm just going to use the MAC Fix Custard in my face spray. And here is the finished look, everybody. I hope you enjoy watching. I hope you learned something cool today. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, you know the drill, go follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!